Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing great and practicing regularly. So, in the previous lecture, we started discussing some previous year questions asked in various competitive examinations like IBPS, PO, SBI PO and so on. So, in today's lecture, we will discuss a few more PYQs, that is previous year questions. So, let's continue from where we left. So, in the last lecture, we discussed till question 3. So, let's begin from question 4 onwards. So, here is the question, try solving it on your own. Done? Let's discuss. Let me first read out the sentence. We will be working in combination to two other departments on this project. So, in combination with means together with. So, basically if something is used in combination with another thing, the two things are used together. For example, this drug can be safely used in combination with other medicines. So, clearly the emboldened part needs to be improved. In combination to is wrong. The correct one will be in combination with. Hence, option C is the right answer choice, that is in combination with 2. So, the correct sentence after improvement would be, we will be working in combination with 2 other departments on this project. Fine. I hope it is clear. So, now here is the next question. Try solving it. So, is it done? Let us tally. Let me first read out the sentence. Mrs. Kavita is eclipsed by her husband, who is much livelier and more intelligent than she is. So, in the given sentence, a comparison is made between Mrs. Kavita and her husband. Hence, the comparative degree of the adjective has to be used. In the given sentence, more intelligent is the comparative degree of intelligent and livelier is the comparative degree of lively. Hence, no improvement is needed in the sentence. Thus, option E is the correct answer, that is no improvement is required. Fine. Now, moving on, here is the next question. Solve it. Fine. So, is it done? Let us discuss. Let me first read out the statement given. We got at touch with the bank to check out the suspect's story. So, in the given sentence, the use of preposition at is incorrect. The preposition in should be used in place of at. The correct phrase is in touch with, meaning in a state in which people communicate with each other, especially by calling or writing or even visiting each other. It also means a state of familiarity or being updated with a situation, that is in a state of being aware of what is happening. Hence clearly option B, that is got in touch with, is the correct answer. So, the correct sentence after improvement would be, we got in touch with the bank to check out the suspect's story. Fine. I hope it is clear. Now, here is the next question. Try solving it. So, is it done? Let us check. Let me first read out the sentence given. His entry to the team dressing room was restricted as an official inquiry had been constituted against him. So, was plus verb participle form in main clause, was plus verb plus participle form in main clause, and had plus been plus verb plus participle form in subordinate clause is the correct structuring of the sentence. So, as you can see here, had been constituted. So, had been plus verb participle, this form is used over here. Hence, clearly with was, verbs participle will be used. Therefore, clearly the highlighted part is incorrect. Thus, the correct answer is option C, that is was restricted as an. So, with was, verb's third form will be used, and restrict is verb's first form. Therefore, its use is wrong over here. So, the correct sentence after improvement would be, his entry to the team dressing room was restricted as an official inquiry had been constituted against him. Fine. I hope it is clear. Now, moving on, here is the next question. Solve it. So, is it done? Let us discuss. Let me first read out the statement given. He was promoted to the rank of major in recognizing of his valor during the battle. So, among the given options, only option B, that is in recognition of his, is the most appropriate option to replace the highlighted one. When in is used as a preposition, it must be followed by a noun. Thus, recognition is the correct form. So, the correct sentence after improvement would be, he was promoted to the rank of major in recognition of his valor during the battle. Fine. Now, moving on, solve the next question. So, is it done? Let us tally. Let me first read out the sentence given. Teams made up of a number of instructors working together are crucial in fostering creativity. So, the emboldened part in the given sentence, does not contain any errors. Thus, no improvement is required. Hence, option E is the right answer. That is, no improvement required. Fine. Now, moving on, here is the next question. Solve it. So, is it done? Let us discuss. Let me first read out the statement given. A truck had assumingly collided with a car. Now, collide means hit by accident when moving. Since the sentence is in past perfect form, collided should be used. So, as you can see here, had is used. So, with had, verb's third form will come, had plus verb's third form, that is past perfect. But as you can see, collide is verb's first form, therefore collided will come. Now, if we look at the options given, except for option A, all the other given options are either grammatically incorrect or contextually meaningless. Hence, clearly option A, that is evidently collided, is the correct answer. So, the correct sentence after improvement will be, a truck had evidently collided with a car. Fine. I hope it is clear. Now, moving on, here is the next question. So, this one is your homework. Solve it on your own. So, now let us end our lecture for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's session. Thank you.